We are in GEOPAK Road 2, and we're going to look at the ramp transition exercise. And when we do that, we need to look in the manual here, and we're going to talk about the objectives and what we need to create out of here. And so the objective of this exercise is to demonstrate how the power GEOPAK civil tools can be used to create a profile for a ramp transition. That's the area between sections AA and EE in this drawing. Okay, and it comes from the standard plans for highway construction, and the profile will be along the ramp chain. Okay, as that figure up above indicates, the ramp is in super elevation transition from the pavement cross slope to section AA, right there, to the super elevation required for the beginning curve of the ramp at section EE. These two sections are shown in the standard plans, which we'll see right here below. We take a look at section AA. Okay, so this is what it looks like at that particular section in AA. Starts out in super elevation, and then when you look at section EE, this is what that section would look like over there. And we've got a 2-foot area that there'll be a break in the slope. So before proceeding to the steps to create the profile, you have to figure out what that break line distance needs to be in the ramp cross slopes. According to the design standards group, the exact location of this break line at section EE is not set. It can be located anywhere within that 2-foot ramp nose. We're going to use 20 foot relative to the ramp chain from the ramp nose back to the point where this offset intersects with the main line edge of pavement. So as a designer, you'll have to determine its location for your project. Okay, so for this one, we'll be doing that. And then the ramp transition layout, when you take a look at that, when you get your calculations done, we've got a radius for the first curve in ramp 2 is 1041. So you find the number that's just below 1041, which is that 1030 in the table, and it's got a 5.8%. So that's what we're going to start our ramp out at, is 5.8% for super elevation.